I'm trying to concentrate on the road.
Mother of God. You know how fast you were going?
65.
63.
Officer, isn't the speed limit 65?
Yeah, it is.
California Governor Gavin Newsom, leading US virologist Anthony Fauci said it's likely the new US strain is much more widespread.
I'm not surprised that you have a
What? You don't know how to give way? Far out!
You went for a red light.
Yeah. On camera.
Thanks.
Bloody cyclist, eh? Never stop for red lights, never stop for crossings. Have a good day. Mate, really?
Sunshine FM. Far out, mate.
Was it B, Richie Benno? Was it C, Shane Warne? Or D, Ricky Ponting? So Donald Bradman, Richie Benno, Shane Warne,
Oh, on you, mate.
or Ricky Ponting. This is the first player to reach 200 wickets and 2,000 runs.
And numbers in quickly. I gather that this issue of the bubble has some support in the government and has sort of quite broad support. But Adam Marshall in New South Wales was saying
On you,
that
mate.
it still wasn't being signed off federally for a bubble, and that's what.
Asshole.
Dead end, mate. This is the P player that honked me at the Winton Causeway and changes lanes
gotta be shitting me! What in the fuck are you waiting for? Once in a while, but boy oh boy, Peter, it's time for the shitbag titty fuck of the week.
Got back in the elevator and went all the way up, past the 21st floor, past a whole bunch of other floors, to the tippy top of the hotel. I thought 21 floors was high up, but this was practically being in the sky. My ears got clogged, and I moved my mouth like a yawn every time I noticed. Being in a hotel is like being in a city. Brian said as we walked into the restaurant. Everything you need is all in one place. If we move people, I don't think we'd ever have to. Congratulations, Mr. Roman.
Yeah, I think he's
The host said. He was wearing the same hotel AC uniform, and I read his name to myself. Jeffrey. He knew about the wedding. He said this hotel knew everything. We're not married yet, Leah spoke up. We will be tomorrow, soon to be Uncle Rob.
Oh, nice one, Scotty! Holy shit, mate. Getting sick of doing all this fucking red light shit, Scotty.
I'll rip out your eyes and piss on your brain.
What I want. Do I want cruises? Like, not cruises. Well, I want the maybe cruiser mud shake one. Or
Hell, you don't want. You fucking dumb cunt!
stupid whore. What a fucking dickhead.
What a dumb fucking bitch.
Yeah.
Screenshot that one.
Fucking idiot.
Good day.
What a fucking dickhead.
10 minutes?
20.
20 minutes? Yeah. Okay. Alright, see ya. Fuck off! Fucking hell!
What a fucking cockhead. I nearly hit him too.
Fucking serious,
Restaurants, places of worship and gyms, and avoid unnecessary travel outside of the Northern Beaches area. Now, they are also asking anyone who doesn't leave...
Oh, who Sid is. He's a really good friend of Deb's of mine and his wife Sarah. Siddhartha Mukherjee is a physician, biologist, oncologist. He's an author. He's currently the assistant professor of medicine at Columbia University. Oh, they're a Rhodes Scholar, graduated from Stanford, Oxford and Harvard Medical School. Yeah, right.
Son of a bitch cut me off.
Stupidity! Stupidity!
Oh, you idiot. Oh, what a fucking idiot. That's going on dash cam too. It's right in front of the fucking button. Don't do it. Oh, well done, Smith. That's one for Scott.
Two cars straight across the solid line.
Not 2 lanes. This guy's actually going to try and pass us on the left. It's an emergency lane, idiot. It's an emergency lane. Idiot. You fucking idiot. Dickhead.
And ran the red light.
I would love to have been a copper. Wait, did he change the red light? Yeah. Concord Road for 2 kilometres.
Well, I know what I'm doing when I get home.
Dash cam.
Dash cam's coming out.
Fuck stick.
Fuck me, mate.
The men died and not the women, I think. I'm not fucking kidding. Like, they're all bummed. They're all, can we make you guys some dinner?
Bloody hell, kid.
One way.
It's on dash cam.
What an idiot!
Educating the world while you sleep.
Contact us at gsowteam@gmail.com. Guerrilla Skepticism. The time is now.
Music by purpleplanet.com.
Fucking illegal use. Oh, fuck off. Really?
What the fuck are you doing, you dumb?
They must be very
Where are you going?
Oh my goodness.
What?
That was a Hyundai.
That's an illegal U-turn. If no, because that's an illegal U-turn.
Yeah. Can get it. And I'm looking at Mum, and she goes, yeah, you need an early present. And I'm looking at Mum, giving Mum the... Oh!
What was that?
The Crow's Nugget!
I just washed the fucking car!